Hey guys, here showing you how to reset the service B or service B7, whatever it may say on your C250 Mercedes. I just did an oil change on this car, so I'm going to go ahead and reset the service light. Some cars will have keyless go, where you can just have a push button like this one, and other cars will actually have a regular ignition where you stick this in to turn it. What you want to do in the cars that have a push button, you just want to push the button once. Don't step on the brake at all. Just push the button down once so that the gauges come to life, if you want to call it that. If you have a key and you stick it in the ignition, you stick in the ignition and turn it one time to the position 1. So you do that, and then everything should turn on. Let me see, I'll get you to see here. Everything will turn on the gauge cluster as you see here, and then you want to go ahead and scroll until you get to the mileage. I'm just simply pressing left here on the buttons. You want to press until you get to the mileage there, as you can see. And then now what you want to do is to press this here talk button and the OK button at the same time. First press this one, and then within 1 second press the OK button and hold it. Then you will notice something that says Assist Plus will come up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you real quick, because I can't hold the camera and do that. Okay, after you've pressed the call button and the OK button and held them down, you will see this pop up. You can go ahead and scroll down to Assist Plus just by using the left buttons here, the cursors, and you will press OK on Assist Plus, and you will say where it says full service, you want to go on ahead and select that and press OK. Then you go all the way down to where it says confirm full service down on the bottom and press OK. Then it'll ask you if you carried out the service, and I did, so you go on ahead and scroll down and press OK on yes. And then it'll ask you again, and you want to say confirm and press OK, and it'll say full service carried out, as so. You wait for it to reset itself and go ahead and turn. If you have the key, go ahead and turn your key off, pull the key out. If you just have this here button, you can go on ahead and just push, or go ahead and just open the door up, so everything will cancel out of that. And you can close the door back and go ahead and now start the car up as you normally would to make sure you're confirmed. This car has a recall for the airbag light. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what the C classes, but we can go ahead and scroll past that. And now you'll see that the service indicator will not come back on, and it has been reset. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this procedure, please ask them in the comment section below. If this is your first time to the channel, please feel free to hit the subscribe button for more car repair content. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.